In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot Gmail when emails are not sending or being received. If your email is not working properly, the good news is that there are a few clear places to check first. We'll go through the most common causes in a simple order so you can identify where the problem is happening and fix it faster. Let's start with sending issues, especially bounce errors and account limits. If an email comes back with a bounce message, don't ignore it. The bounce notice usually tells you exactly why the message failed. In many cases, the address was typed incorrectly, the recipient's mailbox is full, or the message was blocked by the receiving system. Also keep in mind that Gmail sending limits can apply. Depending on the plan, daily sending limits can range from about 2,000 to 10,000 emails, and those limits usually reset after 24 hours. If you've hit a sending cap, waiting for the reset may be necessary before trying again. Next, check authentication issues. If SPF, DKIM, or DMARC records are missing or set up incorrectly, your outgoing emails may be marked as spam or rejected entirely. These records help prove that your messages are legitimate, so they're an important part of reliable delivery. Another common issue is a password change. If the password was recently updated, you may need to sign in again in Gmail or any connected mail apps. If you use IMAP or SMTP through another app or device, reauthorizing that connection is often required as well. After that, review the admin settings. In the admin console, go to Apps, then Google Workspace, then Gmail, and then End User Access. There, confirm that Gmail is turned on for the affected user or domain. If Gmail access has been disabled, mail service may stop working completely. You should also check routing rules because they can redirect, filter, or block messages without it being obvious at first glance. If the issue still isn't clear, move on to advanced checks. Use email log search in the admin area under reporting to trace exactly where the message failed. This is one of the most useful tools for identifying whether the email was accepted, delayed, redirected, or rejected. You should also check the Google status dashboard at google.com/apps status to see if there's a broader outage affecting Gmail services. Finally, look at firewall and network restrictions. Make sure outbound ports 25, 587, and 465 are open, and confirm that no proxy or network filter is blocking access to Google services. By checking limits, authentication, admin settings, logs, service status, and network access, you can usually narrow down the cause quickly and get email working again.